How to add wallpaper on app drawer. If any day you want to add a wallpaper to an app drawer or your background image and you would like to follow the steps, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to go to the upside and tap on the settings icon on your mobile device. After you tap on the settings icon, now you can see an interface like this. Here you have to tap on the option of the wallpaper and style. After you tap on the option of the wallpaper and style, you can see an interface like this. Now here you can go to the option of change the wallpapers, and then you can see so many options here, that is the featured option, the gallery option, the graphical, the wallpaper services. You can tap it any of those there and then set it on. Otherwise, what you can do again is you can go to the search icon and then search app drawer there. Now after you search app drawer there, now you can see an interface like this. You have to wait for a while until the interface appears. Now after that, when the interface appears, now what may happen is that the option of app drawer may vary as per your phone. Since my Samsung Galaxy, I do not have the option like this, but if any day you use an MI phone or any of those, you can see the option of app drawer. And if you're those user, you can set the same settings as I showed before through the option of app drawer. Not otherwise, you can go to the option of the very gallery and wallpaper and style here, or the option of themes here, and you can set it like what I had shown before. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.